What is going on today? I hope you guys are having another good day. I'm off work and I had a nice little package waiting for me as soon as I got home. Once again, thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. We are tearing up the views, the likes, man. Oh my goodness. I think we hit 200 likes on the last video of the driving experience. You guys seem to really enjoy that. A couple of notes. First things first, you guys saw in the intro, we got a couple packages. We got a heat blanket or a turbo blanket for the turbo. I got some heat wrap soaking in some water right now. It'll be about an hour. It's been soaking. We're gonna wrap the downpipe on because you guys know I got a new downpipe, a 4-inch downpipe for the S467 turbo. We're gonna wrap that. My wife just left to go pick up some of the silicone high temp spray. I believe that's what it is, silicone spray. Apparently that's supposed to make it like a glass, or it protects it so it doesn't break down from oil and stuff. But yeah, we got this stuff, okay? Like always, all of these things are going to be in the description down below for links if you want to get them. I think for the turbo blanket, I paid $22, and then for the heat wrap, I paid $11 on Amazon. So it's really affordable. If you go, and I got a 50-foot roll of heat wrap for $11 on Amazon. If you go to Advanced Auto Parts Store, they wanted 25 for a roll of 25 feet. So $1 a foot. Do the math. So we have that stuff on the way. But before we do that, I have to take the downpipe off, and I have to take off the side wheel well so I'll be able to have access to the turbo blanket. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that stuff off. You guys know the exhaust is not connected right now, so it's gonna be a band clamp and the downpipe is gonna come out. Okay, so should be a good time. All right, you guys. I'll get back with y'all in a. Just figured I'd give y'all one more look of the turbo blanket. This is just a cheap, you know. I'm not paying $200 or however much those expensive ones are. I can't pay that much for something like that. This is not a race truck. It's not a show truck. It's just my truck. $25, Amazon. Had good reviews. Yes, it was made in China. Obviously, look at that stitching. But we'll see how it holds up. Apparently, they make these not to be taken on and off constantly. They're pretty much, you put it on, leave it, and forget it. Set it and forget it. So, cool. All right. Well. So we took the downpipe off. Come to find out, it looks like we had an exhaust leak. Don't know if, pretty sure that's not normal. So what that tells me is, and if you probably can't see it, nope, it's super dark, but there's like, at the bottom right here of the turbine housing, there's soot. So that means that we didn't have a good seal. So glad I took that off today to find out that might be one of the problems for having such a horrible lag at low gears. So we're gonna make sure that gets mounted the right way the first time or next time. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the downpipe out. We're gonna wrap her, hit her up, and tie her up. Okay, yep. So look at that. No, I'm pretty positive that is not supposed to be like that. So we will get that addressed. Alright, Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and got the turbo downpipe here. It says to soak it in water. They actually came with instructions, which is pretty cool. So you can soak it in water or spray it. I opted to soak it in water because I just felt like that was more efficient. It also comes with these metal little zip tie clamps. So you want to wear gloves when you're doing this, so that way you don't get fiberglass on you. If you ever gotten fiberglass on you, it's super itchy. If you haven't, it's super itchy. If you have, you know what I'm talking about. We also got some high temp silicone coating. I guess this is supposed to seal it and prevent it from falling apart or tearing up. It has a little ball in it, so you can shake it up, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead straight. I got my bucket from here, and I'm just gonna wrap this. It says you want to do kind of like a quarter, you want to overlap a third of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that and hopefully hope for the best. Okay. Alright, you guys, a lot of time went by. Just kidding. It gets dark super early, so we went ahead and installed the wrap. This was my first time wrapping it. Could have done a little better. Biggest thing is when you wrap it, you want to make sure you keep it tight. It's kind of like adding line to a fishing reel. You know, you got to keep the line tight when you're reeling it in, or it's going to come out all sloppy. So same concept. It came out pretty good. I double clamped it there and at the bottom side, put 2 clamps around it, so that way it can just stay on. So definitely. Now, one thing I did not like was trying to fix that band clamp for the downpipe, getting it straight against the turbo. I don't know if it's just the geometry they made it at. You know, no Cummins is the same, but that bottom part where it was leaking out at, hopefully we sealed it up good to where it's flat around the entire mating surface, because there was a definite exhaust leak at the bottom side. There was still all around the band clamp. If it's still doing that, I'm gonna have to have like another person here with me to like watch it on, and then one of us will hold it in place while somebody else puts the clamp on and tighten her down, because we can't have an exhaust leak. I mean, that alone can be a reason why she was being like that, all sluggish. So having a boost leak like that. So we're gonna go ahead. Also update. This is a piece of junk. I'm sending that back to Amazon. I don't know if it's a piece of junk or if I just got the wrong size. I got a T4 housing turbo cover. It said it was for a T4, and people said that they put it on their S300s, and one person said they're 400. They didn't have a picture of what it looked like, but it looked weird on. It didn't look right, so definitely got that fixed. Gonna send that back, give my money back for that. And also, while I was doing this, I went ahead and got an email from HPP with the new tune file. So I'm also going to install the new file. You guys already seen me before install a tune file on the truck, so you know what that's like. I'm not going to bore you with that, but we are going to install the new tune file and hopefully see if that fixes old girl. Okay, so I'm installing the new file right now with the HPP. It took me a while because it's a long story. So pretty much I reinstalled the Minimax. I did a trans tuning update. I changed some things with the trans tuning. After that, then I had to come back to the auto cal and override the Minimax with the auto cal. Okay, and this is only tuning the ECM. So whatever I tune to the TCM on the Minimax is going to stay. But whatever is on the ECM engine control module is going to be overran by EFI Live, okay, from the auto cal. So we're waiting. This does take some time. I know you EasyLink cats out there can do this in like 2 minutes, but you know, you get the same products and end result. So no biggie. All right, so I'm just waiting. You guys, Operation Low Boost Fueling was a success. Oh yeah. Okay. Operation Low Boost Fueling went perfect. 2 things real quick. I don't know if it was the low boost tuning combined with fixing the downpipe to where it's not leaking. In all honesty, I don't even know if it fixed it, the downpipe. I feel like it's pretty good now, but we're good. We're good. I was able to get a little clip of boost and takeoff, you know, when I was driving on my cell phone, so it's not the best quality, but it shows what I did. It definitely helped, so we're good now. So I felt a lot better with the turbo setup I chose. I feel like I made the right choice. That truck's going to be a monster once the injectors get in it. But like I said, head studs are next. I hit about 43, 44 PSI on that. So I'm not trying to play around with this truck. You guys know she's my baby, my daily driver. So we got that taken care of. HPP hooked it up with the tune-ins. They actually got back to me super quick. I sent them around 1 o'clock, 1:30, the revision. They did it. I had it back by like 5:30ish. Uploaded the auto cal, updated it, installed it on the truck. Shift points are awesome on the truck now. What I did was I raised the shift points for fifth and sixth gear, which helped out tremendously. Line pressure is at 170 psi. It shifts good. It holds pressure good. And the thing is I don't dog my truck out, dude. I drive it normal. I drive it like I just drive it. You know, I don't go flooring it every single second. As tempting as it is with this new turbo and stuff, I just take it easy in my trucks. But knowing that it can do that is awesome. Also, on another note, when I did that clip in the video, that was with Tune 4 of the HPP tuning. So yes, awesome customer service, awesome experience, awesome uploading to the truck, no error codes, nothing. You pay for what you get, and HPP does it. So what's next? Well, I was not able to spray this high coat temp on it because it needs to be dry. So what that means is I'm probably gonna spray it on tomorrow or whenever, when it's daylight. Spray the wrap for it. So as long as I spray it soon, it won't mess up that wrap. So I'm good on that. Tomorrow we should be getting the couplers for the exhaust to be able to connect it to the rest of the exhaust, so we won't be hanging. That's not video worthy, but still. Today originally I was going to do a review on my dash cam backup camera mirror. That will come probably tomorrow, if not the next day. So, you know, shit happens, just like the bumper sticker says. All right, so thank you guys again so much for checking out the video, watching the channel. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for the last 2 videos. You guys killed and destroyed that video. That video is almost at 2,000 views in not even 2 days. So that is a new record milestone for the channel. Let's keep doing it. Let's keep growing. Spread the word. Tell everybody you know about the channel, about the videos and the content. Okay, I really appreciate it. Also, I haven't mentioned in a while, but I do have an Instagram for the channel. It's everything diesel, just like the YouTube channel. So or everything _ diesel, just like the YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram. That's where a lot of viewers message me and ask me questions, opinions of what they're trying to do. So feel free to check out the Instagram. You know, that's I'll also on there too, you get first sneak peek. So if I get new stuff, I'll always put it on Instagram first and then put it on YouTube. So definitely make sure you're following that stuff, you guys. It was fun. It was fun, man. But you guys know I can't be driving like that all the time. So we're gonna have a good time. Okay. So thank you for watching. You guys take it easy. Be safe. Peace out.